Making money on YouTube is easier than ever with AI. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your channel, attract viewers, and start earning from your videos in no time. Training programs. MatPAR offers comprehensive training programs, such as YouTube Mastery and Monetization, which provide in-depth instruction on building, growing, and monetizing YouTube channels. These programs cover niche selection, content creation, optimization, and monetization strategies. Learn how to generate income on YouTube using AI technology. This guide will show you the best practices for creating, optimizing, and monetizing your content for maximum earnings. See top of description below. Hello YouTube friends, my name is Corey. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Numerous ways to make money exist, but using YouTube with Matt's free training is unmatched for earning repeatedly from a single effort. The resources and information on this YouTube channel are intended for educational and informational purposes alone. The initial step to monetize your content and grow your audience is setting up your YouTube channel. Ensure success by optimizing it with essential elements. Achieving financial freedom and living life on your terms is within reach. We aim to guide you in making money on YouTube, setting a realistic target of earning a few $100s a day as your first milestone. Start your journey to financial independence today. A significant benefit of passive income on YouTube is the potential for sustained financial growth. You can earn money from your videos even when not creating new content. Begin building your audience and watch your income grow effortlessly. In the digital age, making money through YouTube has become a sought-after and rewarding endeavor. Whether you're starting as a content creator or aiming for extra income, YouTube provides a way to easily turn your passion into profit. We're glad you're part of our community. This isn't like other trainings that only discuss theory. You'll leave with actionable information you can use immediately. We'll cover 4 specific secrets to help you succeed. Get ready to take concrete steps towards your YouTube success. Running YouTube channels without showing your face is the ideal business model. It allows you to operate from anywhere, and your age or appearance doesn't matter. It's a versatile and accessible way to build a successful channel without being in front of the camera. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, meet MatPAR, the project manager, and discover his effective strategy for making money on YouTube without creating videos. This comprehensive guide is free and brimming with valuable insights. Educational content. MatPAR runs a YouTube channel where he shares tips, strategies, and step-by-step guides on how to make money on YouTube. His content is aimed at both beginners and more experienced YouTubers. Training programs. He offers comprehensive training programs, such as YouTube Mastery and Monetization, which provide in-depth instruction on building, growing, and monetizing YouTube channels. These programs cover niche selection, content creation, optimization, and monetization strategies. Introduction. In today's digital landscape, YouTube stands out as a lucrative platform for generating income, with countless creators turning their passions into profitable ventures. The potential for revenue is immense, from ad revenue to sponsorships and merchandise sales. But what if you could streamline this process? Enter AI, your new best friend in content creation. With advanced tools, AI simplifies everything from video editing to audience engagement, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your content. In this guide, we'll explore actionable strategies for leveraging AI to enhance your YouTube channel, making it easier than ever to connect with viewers and maximize your earnings. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, there's something here for everyone. Setting up your YouTube channel. Creating a successful YouTube channel starts with choosing a niche that resonates with your personal interests and passions. This alignment not only keeps you motivated but also attracts an audience that shares your enthusiasm. To get started, first, create a Google account if you don't have one. Simply visit the Google Sign Up page and follow the prompts. Once your account is ready, head to YouTube and click on Create a Channel. Here, you'll need to select a compelling channel name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Don't forget to incorporate branding elements like a unique logo and banner, as these visuals help establish your identity and make a lasting impression on potential subscribers. Thanks for your participation. Creating engaging content, producing high-quality videos is essential for attracting and retaining viewers on YouTube. One effective strategy is to leverage AI tools for video editing and script writing, which can save you time and enhance your content's professionalism. Consider content ideas that resonate with your target audience, such as tutorials, reviews, or behind-the-scenes glimpses that spark interest and engagement. Additionally, storytelling can be a powerful way to connect with viewers emotionally. Consistency is key. Establish a regular uploading schedule to keep your audience coming back for more. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, sticking to a routine builds anticipation and loyalty among your subscribers. By combining these strategies, you'll create engaging content that not only attracts viewers but also fosters a thriving community around your channel. Optimizing your videos for search, enhancing your video visibility on YouTube is crucial, and effective SEO techniques can make all the difference. Start with keyword research to identify relevant terms that resonate with your target audience. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles and descriptions to improve search rankings. An eye-catching thumbnail is equally important, as it significantly increases click-through rates. Make sure it's visually appealing and accurately represents your content. Additionally, don't overlook the power of tags and playlists. Using relevant tags helps categorize your videos, while playlists encourage binge watching, keeping viewers on your channel longer. By implementing these strategies, you'll boost your video's discoverability, attract more viewers, and ultimately grow your channel's audience. Remember, optimizing for search is an ongoing process that pays off in the long run. Building an audience, growing a loyal subscriber base on YouTube requires genuine engagement and strategic outreach. Start by actively interacting with your viewers through comments and social media. It's great to see you here. Your viewership is appreciated. Responding to questions and feedback fosters a sense of community and makes your audience feel valued. Collaborating with other YouTubers is another effective way to expand your reach. By partnering with creators in your niche, you can tap into their audience and introduce your content to new viewers. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of calls to action, CTAs. Encourage viewers to subscribe and share your videos at the end of each upload. Simple prompts like "if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button," can significantly boost your subscriber count. By implementing these tips, you'll cultivate a dedicated audience eager to support your channel. Monetizing your channel. Monetizing your YouTube channel opens up various revenue streams, starting with the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. But keep an eye on this, things could change. Once accepted, you can earn money through ad revenue, which is a significant source of income for many creators. Beyond YPP, consider alternative monetization methods such as sponsorships, where brands pay you to promote their products, and merchandise sales, allowing you to sell branded items directly to your audience. Additionally, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative option. By promoting products and including affiliate links in your video descriptions, you earn a commission for every sale made through your link. By diversifying your income streams, you can maximize your earnings on YouTube. Analyzing performance and growth. To ensure your YouTube channel thrives, it's essential to track its success using YouTube Analytics. This powerful tool provides valuable insights into your video performance, helping you understand what resonates with your audience. Regularly assess viewer demographics, such as age, gender, and location, along with engagement metrics like watch time and click-through rates. These insights can reveal trends and preferences that inform your content strategy. Thanks for being a part of this. We're thankful for your support. For instance, if you notice a particular topic garners more views, consider creating similar content to capitalize on that interest. Additionally, keep an eye on audience retention rates to identify where viewers drop off. By adapting your content strategies based on analytics insights, you can continuously improve your channel, foster growth, and better connect with your audience. Conclusion: in this video, we've explored the essential steps to succeed on YouTube, starting with the importance of setting up your channel and choosing a niche that aligns with your interests. We discussed strategies for creating engaging content, optimizing your videos for search, and building a loyal audience. Remember, the key to growth lies in consistency and interaction with your viewers. Now it's time to take action. Apply the strategies we've shared to enhance your channel and boost your earnings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more valuable content for aspiring YouTubers like you. Let's embark on this journey together and make your YouTube dreams a reality. Your time and attention are valued. We are delighted that you are with us. Have you ever seen someone showered with money, without a partner? To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.